We got a few items for homework. I'm going to start with the reading. So you guys are to read the section of the book on heating. Okay? So for between now and Thursday, you're going to read the section on heating in the Green Studio Handbook. That's one. Number two, you guys are all to take this sheet right here. We're going to give you a copy of it. And you are to go you are to start with December and work your way across. Okay? So December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. Right? Notice that I'm starting with December. All right? And you are to fill in this information for the Claremont site. And as I mentioned, you are to draw an arrow using 1/2 inch equals 10 degrees as to the difference in delta T and which direction the energy is flowing. And you're going to, so each of these little houses is going to have 2 arrows. One for the coldest time of day and one for the warmest time of day. And each of those is going to have a magnitude roughly 1/2 inch for 10 degrees. Okay? So that's the second part of your homework. The third part of your homework is the one we just discussed, which is the rhinoceros cube that has 3 15 by 15 openings. It's a 30 by 30 cube. And you are to, for each of summer, winter, spring, and fall, you are to figure out what overhangs you have to install to keep the sun 1 hour after sunrise, 1 hour before sunset, and at solar noon. Okay? So you are to model that in Rhino, turn the sun on, right, and figure out how to get that. You'll use Sun Earth tools to derive the days. When you've done this, right, my expectation is to see 4 overhead views, right? One for summer, one for winter, one for spring, and one for fall. Right? And as I mentioned, it's going to look like a box with some overhangs on 3 sides. So there'll be 4 of them. Okay? You are to upload those to Canvas by 4 o'clock in the morning on Thursday. This one you are to fill out, right? And take a photograph of it, horizontal format, and upload that to Canvas by 4 in the morning on Thursday. Okay? All right, that's it. Questions? Oh, and don't forget, you are to show me the topography for your site with the catch basin. Because most of you did not show me the catch basin topography. You just drew a blob and said, that's my catch basin. The reality is that all of the topo lines are going to go around that catch basin. Okay? All right, any questions? All right.